Okay, so we're gonna be working on pinning the middle of our lion so we can move to the legs. So this is where my last row ended. I've got my stitch marker in there. You're gonna be pinning the 2 stitches in the dead center of the body so you have 16 stitches on either side. So I'm gonna go ahead and find an estimated middle here. Pin that on this side. And I'm gonna count 16 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 16. So I'm gonna put my pin in 17. So I now have 16 stitches on this side and 16 stitches on this side. We're gonna start working these legs. So we're gonna be building the hip and the leg going down, just working in a circle here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this row started. You're still using your size 8 hook. And for this row, we're gonna do a half double crochet 2 stitches. And then a half double crochet decrease stitch. Okay, and we're gonna repeat that. So now that I'm at my stitch marker, I'm gonna go ahead and skip that stitch, move to the other side, skipping my stitch marker stitch here, and going into this next stitch. Okay. And I'll complete that row and continue working the leg and the foot, just working on this circle of stitches here. Okay, so we're gonna be stitching into the body to get our legs and hips started. In order to do this, I'm first gonna take my crochet hook and put it through the stitch that your center stitch marker is in. I'm gonna go ahead and just yarn over that hook, pulling up a loop, leaving a very long yarn tail. This yarn tail you're gonna use later to whip stitch the body closed. I'm now gonna go ahead and just follow my row pattern as normal, starting with that first stitch using these 16 stitches around. So completing the first row of the leg, I'm gonna go ahead and move into the second row with you. We are gonna skip over these 2 center stitches again, moving into that first stitch you marked of the row before. So I'm gonna go ahead and just complete my half double crochet stitch. 1 and 2. I'm gonna get these marked. Okay, and I'll continue with my pattern